Has really covered the ground quite effectively, so I'll be brief. As John and Kristen introduced me, I'm Adam Skaggs with Gifford's Law Center. That's the legal arm of the gun safety organization led by Gabby Giffords. And we take all forms of gun violence seriously. We fight against all forms of gun violence, whether we're talking about homicides or unintentional deaths, unintentional shootings, suicides. But there's not a single case of gun violence that I can think of that is as horrific as what happened here on May 14th in Buffalo. This racist, white supremacist mass shooting at Tops. There's nothing that could be worse, and there's nothing that could be more important than for us to do what we can to try and bring justice for the surviving family members of those victims whose lives were so tragically cut short. I just want to emphasize a couple of things that I'll pick up on from what John said. You know, we had a sentencing today. The shooter who perpetrated this horrendous crime will be in jail for the rest of his life, however long that is, whether the feds seek the death penalty or not. He's not eligible for parole. And he's responsible for these tragic deaths, and he belongs in prison. But there is a larger group of entities and companies that bear responsibility for what happened at the Top supermarket as well. And these are entities that are profiting from incredibly irresponsible business practices that have also contributed to this ultimate tragedy. John talked